Hi everyone, I'm Eric, this is Darlene, and we're going over the top 5 characteristics of successful entrepreneurs.
First on the list is that entrepreneurs are diligent. They don't just show up, they bring it every day.
Yeah, are you really gonna have the same level of energy that you had in the beginning as you do like 2 months down the road? You're gonna want that.
Entrepreneurs are brave. They don't only take risks, but they make sacrifices.
Yeah, you gotta be fearless to get started. It's not always easy doing something new, so just go for it. Everyone started somewhere.
Entrepreneurs are resilient. They don't see challenges and failures as setbacks, but as a way to come back.
If starting a business was easy, everyone would do it. So what you gotta do is push through all of the tough spots to really keep your eye on the prize.
Entrepreneurs are adaptable. When information or circumstances change, they are ready and willing to modify their plans to make it work.
Yeah, exactly. So when a lot of business owners saw their products being used in a market they didn't originally intend, they go ahead and just pivot the strategy and capitalize on that.
Last but definitely not least is that entrepreneurs are passionate. They really care about what they do and they want you to care as well.
Yeah, you can have a great idea, but if you're not passionate about it, it's gonna be really hard to push through some of the tough times of getting the business up and running. So this one's pretty important.
These are the top 5 characteristics, but they're not the only ones out there.
And you might not have all of them right when you start, that's okay, but they're gonna be very important to develop as you go.
Grow as you go.
Grow as you go.